Day 6 in Hong Kong.
So we're gonna check out of Hong Kong and we'll be heading off to Macau. So we'll see you there.
Yay!
We're headed to the ferry terminal, but because of our big luggages, for convenience, we're taking an Uber taxi. However, there's more options available.
So we are about to move to Macau. We are going to use a ferry. There is a red and blue ferry, right? Sam?
So because we're going to stay in the casino side, so it'll be easier to get there by the Cotai Water Jet, which is the blue color one, because it will arrive at the Macau Taipa terminal. So yeah, we'll see you there soon.
Okay, this is the gate for the blue one.
Do head over to the gate 30 minutes prior to your boarding time, as there might be long queues at the immigration. So also prepare your passport and your tickets for a smooth journey. Here are some other options on how you can get to Macau. Whew. After a mad rush, we're finally seated, having our KFC. How's it? Okay.
Here we reach Macau.
Ferry terminal.
Yeah, we're still in the ferry terminal. Gonna go to the hotel cell. Wait.
So all the hotels, they have their own direct shuttle bus, so you can see the whole lane. So just find your hotel and just go to the right queue.
Hey, this is video. Okay, we reach our room. Ooh. So this is a suite room, right, Sam?
Yep.
Suite type of room with a bathtub there, single sink. Okay. With the living room outside, small living room in here, and of course the bed. The king size bed. Let's see. We were asking for the view of Eiffel Tower, but they say it's full book, but not that one.
Okay, at least we get to see the galaxy. We get a bigger upgrade. So all of the casino hotels usually feature a lot of the shops and have the main attractions. As for the Parisian Macau, it is the Eiffel Tower. Although it might not be as tall as the original Eiffel Tower in Paris, yeah, it's pretty good too. So we're on the 7th floor of the observation deck. What's happening to the Eiffel Tower? Ooh, it's lighting up.
So nice.
Wow, watch how the Parisian and also the other hotels on the Cotai Strip come to life at night. It's just a different view from the daytime.
I'll feel better.
Okay, let's go.
The headache will gone.
And just like how the Parisian has the Eiffel Tower, the Venetian has the gondola attraction right here in the shops. But also one more. We've got the legendary Lord Stow Bakery, famous for their Portuguese egg tarts.
You see, this is the Portuguese eggtart, right? This is a freaking famous in here.
Alright, so we're heading to London and Macau. Check it out. Gonna take the tube. And just like the other two hotels of the Sand Group, the Londoner amazes not only in the interior but the exterior with such fine details, mimicking how it really looks like in London. So unfortunately, we could not record or film inside the casino area because it's against house rules. But you can probably imagine where Macau gets her nickname as the Las Vegas of Asia. All I can tell you is it's really huge, bright, and really, really spectacular. And this is the area right outside the casino.
One 1067. Yep. Done?
Alright.
Where is it? International Airport by the bus from Macau. So this is the bus. Okay, so we are in the bus already. So this bus directly from Macau go to Hong Kong International Airport, right?
Yep.
Yeah. You can use this bus as your alternative if you are like flying back from Hong Kong again like us.